Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tamaria Lakayye and I go by Tamaria Lakayye on all of my social media platforms. Today we're going to be diving into some energy of the tarot cards for a specific zodiac that I have not yet picked, but you probably clicked on it because I have it in the title. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take the dice. One is a zodiac sign dice and then the other one is just numbers. I'm going to roll it, pick a sign, pick a number. The number is going to indicate how many times I'll shuffle the cards in order to shuffle the energy of the cards. Then I'm just going to go ahead and pick three. We're going to do a general reading. At the end of the reading, we will also do an affirmation card just to have something positive to end the video on. Hopefully the entire message will be positive because I do want to give out a message of inspiration and guidance from pure intentions. So let's just go ahead and get into the reading. Spirit, who do we have a message for right now? Who do we have a message for? All right, so we have Taurus and we have the number 10. So I'm going to go ahead and shuffle 10 times. If you want to go ahead and fast forward through the shuffling, that is fine. All right, Divine, please help me to channel a message of inspiration and guidance of pure intentions for Taurus. All right, so let's see. All right, so the first card we have is the Two of Wands. All right. Two of Wands energy. You have someone that's looking out into the vast world, holding a world of his own within his hands. However, the world is small compared to what he's looking at. This person's ready to start a new adventure, go on a new journey, and not be pretty much caged in by the world that he has currently created. So that's what we have for the Two of Wands. The person is very mature, very wealthy, has created a lot of things within their current reality and current being. However, they are ready to start something new. This could be you being a good partner, or you actually looking for a partner that is the same. So yeah, that's what we have right here in this first energy. So you could be a good partner to somebody else, or you could be looking for a good partner. But whatever it is, it's like your world is not complete and you're still looking to add certain elements and aspects to your life. It's like maybe you're bored, or it's like you have everything and you just want to like maybe start some new adventures, maybe starting like some new hobbies or some new studies, or just like traveling more. But that's the energy that we have for this first card for you, Taurus. go ahead and move on to the next one. All right, so the next one is the Ace of Wands. So whatever is going on, I'm getting that you're ready to just move. The Ace of Wands is something that does do with strong sexual energy, just a strong energy for starting something new, having a new beginning, just something that is like divinely given to you. Things are on the up and up. The hand is coming out of the sky, and it's basically just giving you the opportunity to just go ahead and create something new, create something better than what you already have, which is good. So it's all about action right now for you and following the things that are desirable for you, following those desires. All right, so that's what we have for the second card. And then as well, let's just go ahead and pull this last one. All right, so with this last one, we have the Ace of Cups. All right, so you're really in an energy of enjoying life, being full of joy, being full of compassion, just really grateful for all of the things that the divine has provided for you, but also at the same time just ready to create more, to share it, to experience it in a different, higher level. So let's see, it's all about new beginnings. Every card is signaling that you're ready to have a new beginning. You're ready to have a new beginning on an emotional aspect. You're ready to have a new beginning on starting something, a new idea, building something new. So whatever it is that you're trying to build, like be it relationship, a new career, a new project, or whatever it is, it's definitely time for you to go ahead and start working on those things. So yeah, that's the energy that I have in the cards for you today, Taurus. Let's just go ahead and pull an affirmation card to see what you could be resonating on for the day. All right, so your affirmation card says, it is safe for me to rest. It is safe for me to rest. So with this affirmation card, you're gonna have to take that how you want to take it. So you can take it as in, because I have everything, it is okay for me to rest, and I don't need to go out here and build anything new. Or for some, it may be that they are ready to go out there and build something new because they have already rested. So yeah, for that one, you're just gonna have to take it as it resonates. I hope you were able to find something within this message. If you liked it, be sure to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss your next reading. I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Okay, so